What's up, guys? My name is Weekend Soldier. Welcome to the channel. Nice that you be here. And yeah, today I wanted to talk about my setup. It's not actually pretty warm in here, but I'm sweating already. So let's get this over with, shall we? What I'm wearing is, so it's basically inspired by the German Bundeswehr. I've got a flag-tan jacket with a German flag on it, flag-tan trousers, flag-tan belt. So I finally got a proper battle belt, and a proper sling. Nice. So about the plate carrier, this is a new one. Just a second. You might remember the old one. Yes, the old one, completely in flag-tan. The new one is in Ranger Green. It's bigger because, well, this one, I grew out of it somehow. I don't know. Yeah, this is a plate carrier from Warriors Assault System, which is a great company if you ask me. This carrier is very comfortable to wear. You also got the option. It's just sort of a shell of a carrier. You can open it down here and put plates in there. Well, you can put real plates in, but I wouldn't recommend it because it's heavy as fuck, obviously. And it's a highly modular platform, if I might show it like this. So you get here a bit to attach stuff. And here, obviously, where I got my magazines. More on that in a couple of minutes. Then you can attach something here. Obviously, on the complete back side, you've got this system where you can attach shit. You can attach it here. So it's a highly modular plate carrier, if you ask me. And the great thing about it is it got a quick attach and detach system. So what this means is if I want to take up my plate carrier, I need to take it out. No, what's it called? Shit. I don't know. If I want to put it down, I just can simply do this. Here's a little ledge, and I can do this. I now could do the same up here, like this, but then the plate carrier would obviously fall down, and I don't want this. So, yeah. You got this point here on the shoulder, here on the other side, and on the shoulder again. Then you can switch the front part by disconnecting those two and just ripping it off. I don't want to do that now. Which actually gives away this attach system here, so you can adjust the size of it. Yeah, it's pretty nice carrier, pretty lightweight for its size, if you ask me. And yeah, then I slapped a couple of these fast mag pouches on it. They come in a stack of 2, but it's modular. You can also detach the front part and attach it somewhere else, but I like it this way. So I have 2, 4, 6 magazines on my carrier alone. Yes, by the way, this one bothers me a lot. Simply because black, and then gray. That bothers me a lot. Yeah, this is 9 magazines in total. Now going to the belt, which is also flag-tan, pretty nice. And yeah, I've got a mag pouch here for 3 magazines, which is, well, it's not plastic, it's cotton, I guess it's called. So if you remember the old carrier, this one was attached to it so I can hold more magazines on it. Yeah. So that makes a total of 9, 10, 11, 12 magazines. Plus one additional rifle. Every one of those magazines can hold 120 rounds, which makes a total of, I'm not incorrect, 1,200 rounds in the magazine, or in total, on me. If I'm wrong, well, get your calculators out and tell me in the comments. So, then I have a little dump pouch here. I know the color is not matching my setup at all, but, well, I have enough to bother about. And on the other side, I have my sidearm, which is an H&K P8A1, which is a German sidearm of the Bundeswehr. It's metal. It's a GBB pistol. And yeah, it's got a good weight to it. Metal slide, metal internals, polymer frame, just like the real one. I carry it in the Humarex pedal holster, which is worth mentioning for a moment, because I've got the P8 in it, of course, but I can also swap it out for a Glock. Goes nowhere unless I press that button. And the Beretta M9A1 goes also nowhere unless I press the release button. So one holster, which is adjustable actually, so if I would adjust a bit more, I can also fit my 1911. Shit, I just got so close to get demonetized. My 1911 in there. Yeah, this is my holster of preference. Then I have a little med pouch here with bandages and stuff like that. Nothing too special. A little cross, so just in case everyone knows I got something like this. To my clothing, my trousers and my jacket. This is actually German military surplus, which basically means it was originally in the military use, but was then phased out of the military and has found its way into the civilian market. I found it in an army and outdoor shop back in Germany. So this is why I've got this attach thing here, and on both shoulders German flag. I also carry one on my carrier with GER for DEU for Deutschland in the front, and one in the back. Yeah. So as facial protection, I have the mesh mask, obviously, and my glasses, which I could put down this, and yeah, so my whole face is protected. As headgear, I have a replica of the German Kevlar helmet. Sadly just plastic, because, well, it's just a replica, which has I don't know if you can see it, has a chin buckle, so it goes around the chin. Yeah, now to the rifle. I quick detach it. So this is my replica of German H&K 416 made by Speckner Arms, which is a pretty nice rifle, really. I made a couple of modifications to it. yeah, I put so the stock, and that stock was loose. So yeah, this is just a rack charging handle. Was loose and was just wiggling around there. So I put a couple of layers isolation tape on here. So now it's real firm. It got ambidextrous safety, semi, and well, fun mode. It's a German replica, so obviously not. I slapped the rail riser and Walter optic on it, the competition free, which is basically, if you can see it. Yeah, I think there it is. Yeah, there it is, which is a green dot. And flip up, back up sides in case the green dot dies in game. And with a pressure switch, I got this light and this strobe light. So yeah, so this, and of course the front grip. So yeah, well, this is my setup in total. Now for the things, it's hard to take it off with the helmet on, actually. So this is the sling, which got here some really tight rubber bands in. I think it's kind of like paracord or something like this, and look, just like that. So they're interlocking with each other, and nothing can go, well, practically anywhere, like this. It's adjustable. I got it from the army shop too. To the belt. So this is the belt in question. It's, well, surplus 2 from the German Bundeswehr. Why do I pronounce it like this? And yeah, so this is, but it's nice and wide, so it will fit perfectly if I can get it close. Yes, so just like that. So in case, this is basically my entire setup. I'm going to the background so you can see it. That's the entire thing. Like I said, it's modeled after the German Bundeswehr. Why do I pronounce it like this? Back to it. It's modeled after the German Bundeswehr, and yeah, this is everything. Well, I hope you liked the video, and if you do like it, please tell me in the comments, or, well, Jesus, what's wrong with me today? If you do like it, tell me about it in the comments, or just leave a like. Subscribe if you want, it's free, for sure. And I can guarantee you, if you change your mind, I'm not mad at you, 100%. So, hope I see you around.